In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a passport-sized photo using Adobe Photoshop 2024. Whether you need one for a visa application or a quick update for your records, this method will help you create a perfectly sized passport photo with ease. So, let's dive in. To begin, you'll need to open Adobe Photoshop. If you haven't already installed it on your computer, you can download it from Adobe's official website. Once you've opened Photoshop, we'll start by creating a new canvas. This will be the base where we prepare your passport photo. Go to the File menu at the top of the screen and select New. For a standard passport photo, you'll want to set the dimensions to 2 inches by 2 inches. Ensure the resolution is around 300 pixels per inch, which will give you high quality printing. Once you've entered these settings, click OK and your canvas will appear. Next, we need to arrange the photo you'd like to convert into passport size. Open the picture file by dragging it into Photoshop or using the Open option under the File menu. With your photo opened, you'll want to adjust it to fit within the 2x2 canvas you've set up. You can do this by selecting the Move tool from the toolbar, which allows you to drag the photo into position. If the image is too large or too small, you might need to transform it. To do this, press Ctrl+T on Windows or CMD+T on a Mac. Adjust the corners of the image until it fits snugly within the canvas, ensuring the subject's face is centered and occupies the correct amount of space. An important step in passport photos is having a clean, neutral background. If your photo doesn't already have a plain background, you'll need to clear it. Use the Quick Selection tool or the Magic Wand tool to select the current background, then hit the Delete key to remove it. You can then fill the background with a plain color like white or light gray by using the Paint Bucket tool. Finally, we need to save the image correctly. Head back to the File menu and choose Save As. Save your image in the JPEG format because it's commonly used for printing photos. Make sure to name your file appropriately so you can easily locate it later. And there you have it. That's how you create a passport-sized photo using Adobe Photoshop 2024. It's simple, efficient, and with these steps, you should have no trouble at all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials.